Okay, Ryder, what I have here is a very small vaping device. You can see how small is my hand. It's like some one juice. You go to a night somewhere, you take this thing with. Okay, but you will see there's no charger port here, so you can't charge. It's only for one use. It's like the name is FEO, and this is 600 puffs jungle juice. Okay, but let's open it and see if you can possibly to fill it. So you could just grab this front end, and then there's a little rubber to seal. You just open here. There's a little of those cotton or something to soak up the excess, and then let's open here. You just pull it out. You can see here's the inside. There is also another rubber seal that seals the bottom side, and that's it. So here is no much electronics in here. You'll see there's only the battery. It's also a lithium battery, but obviously you can't charge it. So say you have to, when you go and before you use it, or the factory, they must maybe pre-charge the battery at least for initial power, so that you can use it. And let's open here. You can see here's the element is inside there. Element is inside there, and here's that vacuum device that switches on the unit. But it tells you then there's a thing, there's a LED also there, but here is must have like some sort of electronics, like a FET or a transistor that switch on the, be able to switch on the element draws a lot of current, so there's no other PCB. I just want to pull some vacuum to see if there's a LED that comes on. Okay, you can see when I put a pipe in here and I suck, there's a blue light coming on. So this tells me you this thing switches on the unit, but you'll be able to see here's a bottom piece that also must come out actually. Otherwise I can't put it back together again. Now here it is now. Now how it works now, you have to, this vacuum unit must be sealed in there, otherwise it can't sense the vacuum. So it must go in there, and then it becomes very easy to fill. Let me just quickly put this back. Okay, I managed to get it back, and you just seal there then. And as you see, so but if you want to reuse it, you can charge it with a lithium charger. You just have to connect it there and there. I have a unit here that I normally charge lithium batteries, and we can put the top on. I think that what you need to do is you first go and you take your fluid, and you can just put some fluid in there. To put some more in there. So now light this up. Put some more in there, a little bit. It's a small cavity, so you can put like a half a teaspoon in there. And then obviously I have to put this one back, and I can put this part back. And then put this back. That's it. Now let's see if it works. Something happened here. The blue light doesn't want to come on, so I think there's a vacuum problem. Okay, here's an issue here. So I think what I did wrong is when you open this thing, you have to open the top and then open the bottom. There's some glue there, and I think that glue is part of this sealed if you pull a vacuum here, it activates that unit, and this is what's happening then. It switches on, but it won't switch on now, so I think I damaged that glue. This is what happened. Then you have to open the bottom and slide it out first. This is how to maybe organize this thing, otherwise you won't be able to make it work. But it's such a small thing. But I think when you open the top, you can just put the stuff in here, and you don't have to open the bottom. So I just want to show you how it works. So then I just leave the bottom, then it will obviously work. I'm gonna maybe put some glue in there, then it will. We see what the glue does. It activates the, maybe not just a good thing, it activates that little part there, and it's more put it back. Okay, but anyway, this is just to show you how this small thing works. Let's put this thing back here, and then we can maybe throw this one in a dustbin. Okay, now let's check the pipe. It doesn't want to work. I think I nicked the wires here in the back. There's a little wire that sticks out here. That's not a good thing. Let's just put that wire back. Now this one is dead, so unfortunately I can't revive it. But anyway, just open here in front, put your juice in there, and just make it work. Okay, but this is very interesting how they make these things, like a lithium charge, like a battery that pre-charged, or maybe with manufacturing there's enough initial charge to make it work for that time period, and that's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.